Hi, good evening, everyone. How are you? आई एम ऑल राइट। आप लोग बताओ, आप लोग कैसे हो? That's very nice. We all feel like we should be blessed every day. And what do you think? What is happening with the farmers? Are you aware about the current issues? Do you know what is happening? Yes, that is. And I think ऐसा होना भी चाहिए था. What do you think? Yeah, what about you can say farmers? Yeah, definitely they need a permanent solution. They are means Punjab is totally based upon the farmers. If this thing will happen to the farmers and farmers are not supported, how we people will live? Our economy is agricultural economy. They need to be supported. Yeah, they need to be. Even the government needs to be in the favor of them. Minimum amount of grains should be there, so that चाहे कोई भी खरीदे उनका मिनिमम अमाउंट तो वो नहीं होगा तो फिर तो बस लोग तो उनको खा जाएंगे. सही है. जितना ये ज्यादा अच्छा कर रहा था एकदम से मोदी ने खराब किया. What was the turning back point of the Modi's, you can say, progress? पहले तो एकदम मोदी के फेवर में थे सारी दुनिया. Earlier Modi was going good, है ना? Modi was one of the person that is being recognized around the world. What was the turning point in the Modi's, you can say, government? क्यों अच्छा नहीं लगता था? He did many things. Okay, let's discuss the positive things of Modi. What he did. create good law. The policy have a feet of clay, but farmers need an olive branch to deal this matter with the government. Hmm. What else? स्वच्छ भारत अभियान. बिल्कुल ठीक लिखा था जी. इडियम्स याद किए हैं आपने, पता लग रहा है. नीति आयोग, जीएसटी, डीमोनेटाइजेशन, इम्प्रूव इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस. मैंने करवाया था इंटरनेशनल पॉलिसी, यस, with other countries and hence improve the diplomatic relations. Yes, even the lockdown was his strategy. Around the world किसी ने लॉकडाउन नहीं किया था, उसने किया था. मेक इन इंडिया पॉलिसी. यस, मेड इन इंडिया, मेक इन इंडिया. सबका साथ सबका विकास. सही है, सही है. आप लोगों को बहुत सारी पॉलिसीज याद हैं उसकी. और क्या किया उसने? आत्मनिर्भर भारत नहीं हो रहा. आयुष्मान भारत. यस. एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020. बिल्कुल. बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. और व्हाट एल्स ही डिड इन व्हाइल हिज रूलिंग. कि, किस ईयर में आई थी इसकी गवर्नमेंट, मोदी गवर्नमेंट? ट्रिपल तलाक? ये नहीं मुझे पता, ये क्या है? ट्रिपल तलाक 2014 में. तो इसके पास 5 साल थे, तो ये 2019 में खत्म नहीं हो जानी थी? मुझे नहीं पता ट्रिपल तलाक क्या है, बताओ. मोदी गवर्नमेंट हैज डिड अ ट्रिमेंडस वर्क फॉर द गर्ल्स एंड द वुमेन. क्या काम किया अभी गर्ल्स के लिए उसने? Helped Ambani to become more and more rich. Yeah, this is totally right, Victor. Ladli Yojana. Like educational loan up to 12. क्या up to 12? 12th class, 12 lakh. Free in Haryana. Free education. सर्व शिक्षा, शिक्षा वो तो पहले भी था ऐसे से. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान. करेंसी चेंज की. लोन इन द लॉकडाउन. नो इंटरेस्ट. Abolition is in Islamic religion, the male can divorce just by saying talaq 3 times. अब वो चीज नहीं है. होनी ऐसे. अब मुसलमानों में ऐसा नहीं होगा तलाक तलाक तलाक. During his government, the foreign exchange has increased. नहीं, हटा दिया. नो नो. कैशलेस करेंसी. ये भी टॉपिक हमने जीरो बैलेंस अकाउंट. उसमें क्या है कि आप अकाउंट खुला सकते हो जीरो बैलेंस पे. उसका फायदा क्या है? इनहैंस्ड डिफेंस सेक्टर. कितनी मनी आती है जी उसमें जीरो बैलेंस अकाउंट में? सारे खुला लेने आप. हर मंथ आती है 2,000 रुपया? Then we will be doing our latest vocabulary, but before that, we will be discussing one of the topic too. खुलवा के रख लेने, चलो कभी 2000 आ जाए तो भी बहुत है, ये नहीं. Now public bank will charge amount on withdrawal and deposit too, but these accounts are not included. अच्छा, इनके अकाउंट्स में पैसे नहीं, मतलब इनको नहीं चार्ज पड़ेगा. सबसे लोन एंड गैस, गैस GAS होता है. अच्छा जी, 500 रुपया आया था लॉकडाउन में. वाह, आपको 1500 आ गया, सही है. ये देखो, आ गया मेरी क्लास का सबसे नोटी. 8000 के करीब, ये क्या? अमाउंट किसको आई थी? वाह, 8000 रुपीज. ये ऐसा क्यों भी, किसी को कितना, किसी को कितना, कॉन्टिन्यूटी में क्यों नहीं? राधा 20,000 या 2000? वाह, खुला लेना चाहिए है ना अकाउंट, क्या पता आ ही जाए. ओके, चलो ये सारी चीजें तो हुई मोदी गवर्नमेंट के रिलेटेड या करंट हमारे इश्यूज, जो हमारी गवर्नमेंट के अंडर इश्यूज हैं. जिनको तो 8,000 पे आया या 20,000 पे आया, वो मोदी गवर्नमेंट को गलत नहीं कहेंगे, नहीं कहेंगे ना. Why they will say wrong to the Modi government? No, they will say they are good. Okay, now the topic for the today is that, do you think it will be an argumentative topic, but I will just discuss the points only. Do you think that the government, okay, do you think English will remain a global language? Do you think English will remain global language? जो गलत कह रहे हैं मेरे अकाउंट में डाल देना. Okay, please now let's shift to the topic of the discussion. Do you think that English will remain a global language in the future? Write down the topic. Do you think English will remain the global language in the future? Yes. Okay, what are the reasons why you think that English will remain a global language? क्या सबको लगता है? हाँ जी, किस किस को लगता है कि इंग्लिश जो है वो ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज रहेगी फ्यूचर में? Okay, it's hard to say yes. Those who say no, tell me the reasons why you think that English will not remain the global language in the times to come. बिकॉज लैंग्वेज लोगों से होती है, जिस तरह से हमारी पॉपुलेशन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज में रह रही है, तो हिंदी भी ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज बन सकती है. Okay, you think that the peoples are now migrating from one place to another place. So, and recently दुबई में भी ऐसा हुआ. क्या हुआ दुबई में? Because it's comfortable language for communication with other people and other country. लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर टूल्स आ रहे, इन्होंने हिंदी लैंग्वेज को वहां की गवर्नमेंट ने एक्सेप्ट किया दुबई में. For good communication skills. So will the people over there will learn it? अंग्रेजों फॉरनर्स के लिए डिफिकल्ट है हिंदी सीखना, तो यस आई थिंक सो. This is the most important thing, that in the future everyone will use the translator tool. Hmm. मैम बुक और इशारो. इशारो, व्हाट इज इशारो? ISRO. Okay. So um many of the people thinks that no, or many of the people think that yes. You can say that in the future, I feel like that this will, it will really take time, but in our future or in the coming future, it's not going to the thing that English will not remain the language, global language. English will remain the global language. And बाकी देखो, बाकी क्या कहते हैं. मैंने देखने हैं कितने यस कितने नो. 47 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, देखो कितने यस कितने नो कह रहे हैं. जल्दी जल्दी बताओ. Yes, it will. I said, do you think that English will remain the global language in the future? You can okay in the you are saying that in the corporate dealing and the major sector, English will remain the most important language. मैं क्वेश्चन बता रही हूँ, does English will remain the global language in the future? Some people are saying yes, and others are saying no. Those who are saying yes, they are providing their reasons, and those who are saying no, they will also provide their reasons. So on which side you are, just provide your reasons. You can say English will remain the global language, but other languages will start getting recognition in the near future. Near future मतलब आने वाले times. Now no language is considered. Earlier matlab in the times to come in the future there will be many languages which will be considered as the global languages. जैसे कि मतलब है ना, फ्रेंच को मिल सकती है. Earlier you can say that the language which is used by the majority of the people is even not recognized, like Punjabi and Hindi. No doubt it is the language of the most populous country, but still it is not being recognized. हाँ यू कैन, हाँ ये भी सही है कि मदर लैंग्वेज है या मदर टंग है वो ऑलमोस्ट अलाउड ही है. तो फिर ये चीज कहना मुश्किल है कि ये लैंग्वेज रहेगी ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज या नहीं. यस, फ्रेंच कंसिडर्ड एज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल लैंग्वेज इन द वर्ल्ड. किसी को आती है मेरी क्लास में फ्रेंच? फ्रॉम वेयर यू स्टडीड? जिनको जो कह रहे यस. मोस्टली द पीपल आर कंफर्टेबल विद द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. देयर आर टू मिनिमम नेटिव. ये क्या लैंग्वेजेस रिक्वायर्ड in NEP 2020? Different states are using different languages. because it's comfortably talking with other people like foreigners and other. You can say that people are finding it comfortable to talk in this language, and that's why it will remain a global language. It is comfortably talking. You can say all the government exams. आप सिर्फ अपनी country के लेके चल रहे हो. You can say all the exams around the world completely, and moreover computer coding is all carried out in this language, so I think that this language will remain the global language in the near future. Okay, those who think that it will not remain the global language, why you people think that? One, you have told me that due to the migration many other languages are being accepted. What else are the reasons? Those who said no, yeah, means no, it will not remain the global language. You just provided me one reason. Tell me other reasons also. Please come up with your reasons. New technology. What is new technology? न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी किस साइड, उसको पैराफ्रेज करो, समझाओ. इन द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसलेटर टूल्स विल बी देयर. फिर you can say in the near future there will not be English be the remain the global language, because there will be the translator tool which is used by the people, so that they can transform the mother tongue of any language to their language and understand that person. ओके, सो क्या लगता है कि जो बच्चे इंग्लिश सीख के माइग्रेट करते हैं उनको नहीं करनी पड़ेगी फिर? Around the work, around the world, every work is carried with the help of English language. I think so, ma'am. I think it will take time, but yet it will be approachable because now the people have got an understanding. They are not into the mad rush. Like they are not falling behind another person कि जिसको लगे कि नहीं जी इस तरह करके पॉसिबल है तो ऐसे ही करना है ना? Now the people have the answer to the every question which is being asked. Why English? Why not another language? आज तो हमें लगता था ना, कल जैसे हम पढ़ रहे थे तो हमारे पेरेंट्स को लगता था कि इंग्लिश सीख लो, नहीं आएगी तो आप नहीं कर पाओगे. यस, यू कैन से एमएनसीज जो है वो मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रही हैं अदर कंट्रीज में, नेपाल में, बांग्लादेश में, एटसेट्रा, एंड दे रिक्वायर दोज एम्प्लॉइज एंड वर्कर्स हु कैन कम्युनिकेट इन हिंदी. just same as MNCs that require different language people in our country. Every country wants to popularize its language. हाँ, चाइनीज तो लोग सीखते हैं, फ्रेंच लोग सीखते हैं, स्पेनिश लोग सीख रहे हैं आजकल. हम्म. In Germany, people are learning Sanskrit. Why they are learning Sanskrit? It will be going to be a multi-diverse thing. कि ड्यूटी कभी भी लग जाती है. I think not dominating because higher level so good but economically not should good and weaker in learning and the understanding this language. I'm not getting Sarah what you said. Please tell me again. I don't know exact reason, but there are many courses for Sanskrit language in Germany. संस्कृत इंडिया के स्कूलों में नहीं है. अब तो वो पढ़ाते ही नहीं है. They are not teaching and even I haven't get even any class जिसमें मैंने संस्कृत सीखी हो. No. That's good if you had read that. Okay, यूपी बोर्ड में पढ़ाते हैं. And what do you want to do, Hemant? Do you want to attend that program? Or you are getting the disturbance of the voice and that's why you are saying that you won't be able to attend the lecture. डिस्टरबेंस के स्पेलिंग पहले सही लिख के दिखाओ मुझे. Write down the spelling of disturbance. हाँ जी, ठीक है. सो देख लो जितना अटेंड कर पा रहे हो करो बिकॉज उतनी समझ तो आएगी व्हाई यू आर गोइंग टू लीव द लेक्चर. Okay, so what will be the introduction if this comes? That do you think that English language will remain the global language in the near future. What you will write about the introduction? किसके ऊपर इंट्रोडक्शन होगी आपकी? फिर ये आपके लिखोगे yes, some people feel like it will remain the global language, but others says no, and I feel like it will remain the global language. फिर आप वो सारे पॉइंट्स बताओगे जिससे आपको लगता है कि ये जो है ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज रहेगी. Okay, now I want that you all will be phrasing a paragraph on the introduction. And I want to know that how you people write the introduction. So please go ahead quickly and write down the introduction for this topic. Because we have discussed the reasons of yes and no. Those who feel yes, those who feel no. वो तो हम second or third paragraph बनाएंगे. But what will be the first paragraph? Learning so many languages just to enhance their knowledge is to enhance one's knowledge, and it will be help their knowledge kiski hame kya pata, and it will be helpful for dealing with the people. But if we talk about the global language, it comes only English language. Nahi, English is the mother tongue, huh? I don't know. Okay, what will be the introduction? Frame a paragraph. Just one student is typing. What about the others? I have asked many students. I have asked means every student to type the introduction for this. What will be the introduction paragraph? And why you people are sitting idle? I'm not getting why. Hanji, quickly write down. English language is an official language, but it remains global language. English language is currently an official language and it will remain a global language in future. Oh my god. अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूं that you can say people use different languages for communication around the world, but English language is a global language and it used throughout the world. Moreover, it is there is a debate on that will it remain in English language or not. According to me, yes, it will remain, but some other things that no, which will be described. So both the viewpoints will be described in the upcoming paragraphs, followed by the conclusion. As we know that language plays a crucial language to represent one's country in the world. Today, English is the only language that is globally accepted in the economy, and I believe it will remain the global language in the near future. But other languages will also be recognized in the world and become globally accepted in the future because of the following reasons, which will be discussed in the coming discussion. Very nice. English is the dominant language in the United States, not of the United States, in the United States. Okay. People often think about English as a global language. Million people around the world speak English as the first language, and there are English speakers in the most the countries around the world. बट उसको प्लान्ड वे में लिखा करो, पहले लिखा करो इंट्रोडक्शन जिसमें इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के बारे में लिखो, एन इंट्रोडक्टरी लाइन, फिर इस स्टेटमेंट को रीफ्रेज करो दैट आई एम रियली सॉरी. Some people think that it will remain an remain a global language, but others opine to it. Opine means are against it. Both the viewpoints will be discussed in the upcoming paragraphs, followed by the conclusion. फिर आप लिखो those people who favor English language is because of these reasons, and on the other hand those people who don't follow or don't agree to this is because of these reasons. In India, a super multiplication including languages in India. Oh. It's grammatically incorrect, Sarah, so I'm not getting what you want to say. So if you will be writing in the same way in the exams, you won't get the marks. So please start revising your grammar. But learning more than one language gives one comfortable to deal with the community globally. It adds a positive attitude in the personality of a person. English is the language which is used to communicate globally. Most people find it comfortable as compared to the others. Thus, English language will remain the language which is accepted globally. The further points are discussed in the upcoming paragraph. Today, we are seeing the growth of India in every sector economically, scientifically, technologically, educationally, and even in the international relationships too. And this could not be possible without the proper communication in their convenient language. As we know that They understand only English language, so we made ourselves competent in it, and moreover it will remain in the future also. Okay, what will be the conclusion now? कुछ लोग कहते हैं ये, कुछ लोग कहते हैं नहीं. You can say that English is the most important language around the globe till date. It will remain the same unless and until some major steps are taken by the government around the globe. Write down the conclusion by your own, everyone, so that you also come to know how you people have to write. Can speak in this language on national as well as international standards. बिल्कुल ठीक है. But this is an introductory line. Language is the way to represent. There's so many languages in the world, but English has become the global language because it's being easy to communicate in English, as most of the people can speak in this language nationally as well as internationally. Conclusion लिखो सारे जने, so that I am able to understand how you people can wrap up the paragraph. Language is the way to represent or communicate in our day-to-day life. There are so many languages in the world, but English has become a global language because it's being easy to communicate in English, as the most of the people can speak in this language on national as well as international level standards. This is going to be the introduction. English as a choose English because it is globally accepted. So many languages in the world, but people think, no doubt there are many languages according to the different communities, cultures, racism, but still English will remain the communicated language, and people are learning it around the globe so that they can conversate easily. Thus, on the basis of the above points, we can say that in today's world, no doubt English have modernized and dominance in every kind, have monopolized and domination domination आता वो सही था due to the growth and the development of the different sectors of the country. The other language will also be recognized in the near future and will become widely accepted in the world. ठीक है. Okay, let's learn 2 to 3 vocabulary words. I think I think now it is clear to all of you. हमने करा था ना get into the scrap. कहाँ तक करे थे हमने? There are many languages, but mostly people people's preference is towards the English language, so that's why in Zest English is a global language, but in the future it won't be used because people have started adapting their own language for every work. Like Japan has used their own language even for international summits or seminars, so other people are using Google translators. We did till it hit the nail on the head. Till it hit. मतलब एच वाली भी कर ली है ना फिर हमने. लेट मी सी द नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन. आई थिंक मेरे को लगता है डिलीट तो नहीं कर दी. Yes, grammatically it is correct right now, Parul. Great. आई थिंक फिर हमने कर ली है ना. नेक्स्ट मेरे पास पीपीटी खुल नहीं रही है. रुको, मुझे उसमें भी ये लगता है कि 2 3 ही रह गए थे हमारे बस. नहीं बेटा, वो डिलीट हो गई है. वो पीपीटी नहीं है, मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर पे मैंने अपलोड करी थी. नो डाउट इन माई नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल डिस्कस दैट. आई एम हैविंग दैट पीपीटी ऑन माई डेस्कटॉप. आई विल अपलोड दैट बिफोर द क्लास एंड वी विल डिस्कस. आज का जो टॉपिक था वो समझ आया आप लोगों को? Are you well versed with the today's topic? Because it is really an important topic. Anything else you want to discuss with me? Anything you want to discuss? Yes, please, Sophia, please tell. Obviously, when you will discuss on a single platform, you are pointing yourself, your mind towards one positive question which is being asked. Similar is going to be in the exam. You will be given one question and you need to, you can say, make a paragraph. What is blessing in disguise? किस किस को पता है? बताओ. एकदम से कुछ ऐसा होना जैसे आपके मिस फॉर्च्यून होना, बट वो अच्छी चीज होनी. जैसे आपने कहीं जाना था और आप नहीं गए. ठीक है, लाइक आपकी कोई जर्नी थी और वो प्लान थी और आप नहीं गए. बाद में आपको पता चला कि उस ट्रेन का ही एक्सीडेंट हो गया. सो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज. कोई ऐसा मिस फॉर्च्यून दैट जो आपके लिए ब्लेसिंग बन जाए, दैट इज ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज. अंडरस्टूड? एनीथिंग एल्स? Good things which look bad in start. Yes. Yes, this is also right. Knowledge and thinking is ameliorate. So overall आपको क्या लगता है, पेपर हो जाएगा क्रैक? हम्म. Yeah, curry favor with, we have to give our best. Rest is upon the God and the examiner too. ये शिवम की बातें बिल्कुल सही हैं. यस, ये तो है ही है. बट स्टिल मेरे को लगता है कि हो जाना चाहिए. जितनी इंग्लिश हमने लर्न करी है, तो इंग्लिश का पेपर क्रैक करना तो इजी है. एंड व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? अदर्स आर आल्सो पुटिंग देयर 100%. प्रोफेटिक वर्ड, यस, हो जाएगा. नाइस रोहित, होना भी चाहिए. आमीन. सही है. चलो. ओके जी, टेक केयर, हैव योर डिनर एंड गेट रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्लास. बाय. 9 PM है. ओके, ग्रेट. गॉड ब्लेस यू टू, माय डियर.